Southern Bristol, Massachusetts, Dukes, Massachusetts, and Nantucket, Massachusetts counties. In Rhode Island, Washington, Rhode Island, Newport, Rhode Island, and Block Island, Rhode Island counties. When? Until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday. Impacts include dangerous swimming and surfing conditions and localized beach erosion. Thunderstorm approaching the waters. The areas affected include coastal waters east of Ipswich Bay and the Stellwagen Bank National Marine Sanctuary, Massachusetts Bay and Ipswich Bay. At 7:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a strong thunderstorm capable of producing winds up to 30 knots. This thunderstorm was located 13 nautical miles west of Kingston, or 13 nautical miles south of Weymouth, moving northeast at 40 knots. Locations impacted include Duxbury Pier Light, Green Harbor, Ocean Bluff, Red Rock, Plymouth Light, and Gurnet Point. Expect gusty winds to around 30 knots, briefly rough seas, and lightning strikes. Consider heading for safe harbor until the storm passes. Here are the 7 p.m. observations for the Cape Cod region.